128 species in genus Papaver. The enchanting world of Papaver, a personal journey. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the delicate beauty and vibrant colors of the Papaver genus from the Papaveraceae family. More commonly known as poppies, these flowers have captivated me since childhood with their papery petals and almost ethereal presence. Their fleeting blooms, often lasting only a day or two, seem to symbolize the ephemeral nature of beauty itself, making each moment with them precious. I remember the first time I truly recognized a poppy. It was a bright red Papaver, a common poppy, growing wild in a field near my grandmother's house. Its scarlet petals, so vividly contrasted against the green sea of grass, seemed to dance in the gentle breeze. That image stuck with me, sparking a fascination that has only grown over time. A diverse family of flowers. The Papaver genus is surprisingly diverse, encompassing 128 species. These range from the bold and showy Papaver oriental, with its large, fiery orange blooms, to the more subtle charm of the Papaver nudical, the Iceland poppy, which comes in a variety of pastel hues. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While the aesthetic appeal of poppies is undeniable, these plants have also played significant roles in human history and culture. The Papaver somniferum, for example, is the source of opium, a powerful painkiller that has been used for centuries. However, it's also the source of highly addictive substances, highlighting the complex relationship between humans and this plant. Poppies also hold symbolic meaning in many cultures. The red poppy, in particular, is a symbol of remembrance for those who have died in war. This association stems from World War I, when poppies bloomed in the battlefields of Flanders fields, their red color mirroring the bloodshed of the conflict. Cultivating beauty, my experience with poppies. I've been fortunate enough to cultivate several Papaver species in my own garden. It's a rewarding experience, watching these delicate plants emerge from tiny seeds and transform into stunning blooms. I've found that poppies prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They're relatively low-maintenance plants, but deadheading spent blooms can encourage more flowers. One of my favorite things about growing poppies is the element of surprise. Many species readily self-seed, so I often discover new plants popping up in unexpected corners of my garden. It's like receiving a gift, a reminder of the resilience and beauty of nature. The allure of poppies. The appeal of Papaver, for me, lies in its contrasting qualities. It's a flower that embodies both fragility and resilience, simplicity and complexity. Its fleeting beauty serves as a reminder to appreciate the present moment, while its vibrant colors bring joy and vibrancy to any landscape. Whether growing wild in a field or carefully cultivated in a garden, poppies continue to fascinate and inspire me. They're a testament to the enduring power of nature and a source of endless wonder.